Hey guys, welcome to Peninsula Way. Come on in. Hey everybody, welcome home. We're at 5615 North Peninsula Way here in McFarland, and I want to highlight this 5-bed, 3.5 bath with 3,400 plus square foot. What first catches your eye when you walk in is this beautiful vaulted foyer. A lot of natural light, a lot of high-end finishes. But before we get there, I'm gonna play the piano a little bit and tell you a little bit more about this house. All right, while I play the piano, I'm gonna tell you a few more things that highlight about this house. Especially the kitchen. You've got high-end granite, custom stainless steel appliances, crown molding on the cabinetry that go all the way to the ceiling. And these again have beautiful 10-foot ceilings here on the main floor. And then the vaulted ceilings that really open the space up in the living room with the, again, beautiful stone fireplace that's in there. And then we're gonna talk about the master suite and we'll show you a little bit more about it, but I'm just gonna continue right now to play a little bit more music before we head on. Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen, one of my favorite rooms in the house. This is that granite I was talking about. It's the highest end granite that you can get, and also I love the space. It's a 10-foot slab of granite. There's no cuts in it. It's a great space for either entertaining or putting food out. One of the other features that we love in a gourmet kitchen is a 5-burner gas stove. What's really great about this is you have to back it up with a really good hood fan, and they do. This is a 600 CFM hood fan, able to take any and all of that smoke out of the kitchen. One of the other features that I really like about the kitchen, all the drawers and the doors all have slow close, so you're gonna be able to maintain your cabinetry in a much better light. All right, on to my second favorite part of the house is the master suite. I wanna showcase what that has to offer for you, so come follow me. All right, we're here in the master suite. Love this room. Love the space. What sets off the space is this great trade ceiling. The custom fan up here, the modern fan, is also exceptional to be in this space. Large walk-in closet, plenty of room right now in storage for your clothes and your needs, but so much space that you can add additional storage if you want. A lot of great natural light, high transom windows, so I really like how it lightens the space up. Now onto the bathroom portion. I really like the bathroom itself. Dual vanity with really high-end custom quartz. The tiled shower is exceptional. It has 2 shower heads. It's got a rain shower head and a regular shower head, and it's got vertical tile. I really like how it sets it off in here, and then a separate water closet there to keep everything separated. So just an exceptional space. And next I'm gonna highlight going to the lower level where there's lots of additional space, a bedroom, a workout facility, and plenty of space to entertain and hang out. All right, we're coming down to the lower level. Great exposed lower level with lots of natural lighting. One of my favorite spaces down here to entertain. So when I first came to this house, what really caught my eye was this massive couch and the ability to kind of be in this space and be together as a family or with all your friends down here to entertain or watch a football game. And what this also highlights on the lower level is you have an additional full bedroom and full bathroom in case you have guests that want to stay over. You've got a great space for them. And one of the coolest spots in the house is this workout room that they've set up. Plenty of space to do yoga, have your equipment. There's kettlebells in here, a couple different Peloton machines. Like, there's plenty of space to do a workout in here, and the barn doors that they put on the space, you can close those off and really keep it quiet. I kind of want to recap everything and talk more about the village, so join me outside on the patio. Welcome to the outside here. I love this porch. This wraparound porch is one of the key features of this home. I also really enjoy the native plantings. You've got natural grasses and flowers and just a beautiful look to the front of this house. Some other things I want to highlight about the village of McFarland. You're less than a half mile away from the elementary school. You're really close to a couple bike paths to be able to get out and take a bike ride. So you're less than 15 minutes from the west side of Madison, which I think is exceptional, thinking potentially how far you feel because it is so quiet. And something really fun, I looked it up before I left, it's about 15 minutes to the airport. So again, really well situated, brand new homes, a lot of families, a lot of parks. I think there's 3 parks in the area. So a lot of really fun things to do in a small community. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for joining me.